Welcome back to seeing what's inside our logs. We got day 4 for you. A big old Japanese maple. What he said. 32-inch diameter here, 47 at the crotch here. It was 118 inches long. Kind of a weird shaped log. Well, let's slice into her and find out what's on the inside. Well guys, day 4 is a wrap. The Japanese maple had some good grain to it, but a lot more rot than we thought. It was a weird shape, but 7 decent slabs out of it. Should make for some nice tabletops with some epoxy. Stay tuned for day 5, guys. Cheers.